So David Wong, I'll introduce David. David is a dear friend. He's been a long time with Luna Imaging, working with me. He's head of programming at Luna. Luna was founded in 1995 at the Getty Institute. It came out of Getty. It was founded by Dr. Michael Esther, who was, for all of us at Luna, our mentor. Getty set it up in order to really start visualizing the huge number of digital image collections that they had. They had no way to do that. So that's how, and Eastman Kodak actually was co-partner with Getty in Luna. So Luna's been around now for, what did we say, 28 years, almost more, where we joke that I'm chairman of Luna, full disclosure. We're the perpetual startup. And so, but it's an amazing group of people and provides very good software for analyzing collections. And David Wong has really, with Drake and the other team at Luna, been responsible for building out this whole visualization that is both very informative and fun and very powerful as a data visualization tool. So David, I'll turn it over to you.
Thank you, David. Valeria has already done a very good job in showing how the search works. So I just want to add that it's possible to do a search for text within the map. So let me find my map. Background and text data. And here's my map. And all you need is the unique identifier, which is in this collection image number. It can be image number or a list number. In this case, I'm using the image number, and I want to do an advanced search. And choosing image number as the field in the dropdown. And let's say I want to do a search for bridge on this map. And here shows 13 instances of the bridge labels. And pulling this up in grid view, it shows all 13 instances with the orange pin showing the locations of these labels. And you can even make changes directly to the search query at the upper right-hand side. And I want to change the query to London Bridge. Essentially, I'm doing a multi-word search, and now it's showing just the 4 instances of London Bridge. The first 2 looks the same, but they're actually not. You can tell by the missing L in the front. That means it's a separate annotation. In a multi-word search, it returns a group of annotations as a result when they are really close to each other. So this one is one group, and these 2 are returned as a group. And for these 2, there are actually 2 combinations. So we can tell by the darker shade of blue here, that means there are actually 2 annotations overlapping each other. So here are the 4 combinations. Next, I want to show how you can share Luna content to an external site, to a IIIF viewer. I go to share and expand IIIF manifest. And then I want to go to Mirador. I go to Mirador, and then using their live demo. And then I'm going to add this manifest as an additional resource. And here's my map loaded in Mirador. And this is the catalog metadata in the sidebar. Annotations are available over here, and it's showing the same, the first 2,000 annotations. And since Luna support content search API, you can see that the search icon is also available. And I can do the same search for bridge, and it shows the same 13 results. Now, let me head back to Luna. And my next search is on, I'm going to search for the text Stanford. And we'll get pretty good matches if we do a search for Stanford. And the reason why I'm doing this search is to show how you can find minor differences of a different strain. Let me show it in Mason Review. It's taking a bit of time. Here it is. So as you can see, these are pretty good matches. And let's suppose you want to see any potential detection error by map creator or typos by a user. A good way to do this is by using fuzzy search. I end this word with tilde1. These are good matches. And we're still waiting for fuzzy search to return. Here we go. Now, take this one as an example. This is actually, it should have been Stanford, but the detection detected a minor difference. It's Stanford. Same with this one, it should have been Stanford. And it's detected something else. So this one needs a correction and the other one needs a correction too. One limitation we have is fuzzy search only works on a single word search. And you can only do a fuzzy at the distance of the number 1 for now, because of the size of the index. This concludes my demo. Thank you.
Thank you, David. That was very interesting. I always learn something new when you demo, David. I wasn't aware that you could search within the map itself, which is also wonderful.